So, a long while back I made this small treble hook from a single rod. I'll include a link here. I've got the idea today to do something similar, but use two different pieces. These flat pieces I have right here. Just another one of these let's see projects. I need to thank James Dunn for his latest big donation. I also need to thank Stephen Watkins for his donation, which was via Super Thanks. This freewheeling video is brought to you courtesy of James and Stephen and all my other supporters who you can see at the end of each video. Thanks very much. I honestly think the twist looks really nice, and I probably shouldn't have started hammering on it, but oh well, too late now. So I get the bright idea to twist it again, but this proves to be a little bit silly. It's just too hot out here and I'm not thinking straight. Stop, you idiot. You're gonna tear the steel. So I tore it a new one. You can see right there. So I don't give up that easily, and so I'll see what I can do to repair this. So I'm hammering and thinking, and it seems that forge welding would be the only solution that might work. You guys know I rarely forge weld in my small gas forge, but since the forge needs relining, I figure I'll give it a go. I normally run about 4 or 5 psi, so I'll have to jack it up to about 10 or 11 to get to forge welding temp. Already finding a good use for this small cone mandrel I made. The weld was successful. At this point, it looks like a fleur-de-lis. I'm glad I stuck with this piece. The more I look at it, the more I like it. I'll catch you guys next time. Selling the small handled punches and cutter again, so anyone interested, just shoot me an email.